This combination of vitamins and selected minerals is used to prevent or treat vitamin deficiency due to poor eating habits, problems that affect the body's ability to absorb nutrition from food, or increased need for vitamins and minerals due to stress or illness. Vitamins are needed for the body to function well. This vitamin/mineral combination contains high levels of B vitamins, such as folic acid, niacin, B1, B2, B6, and B12, and vitamin C. It also contains other vitamins, A, D, and E, and minerals such as zinc. This medication does not contain iron and has only a small amount of calcium. It should not be used to treat iron-poor blood, anemia, or to prevent osteoporosis. This medication should be taken by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once or twice daily, with or without food. If you experience stomach upset, taking this product with food may help. It's important to take this medication 2 to 3 hours before or after certain antibiotics, like tetracyclines and quinolones such as ciprofloxacin, as the minerals in this product may interfere with the antibiotic's absorption. Side effects of Essential Man may include nausea, stomach upset, diarrhea, flushing, and an unpleasant taste. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks for you. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, contact your doctor immediately if you experience mental/mood changes or unusual weakness. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, call your doctor or report side effects to the FDA. In Canada, call your doctor or report side effects to Health Canada. Before starting Essential Man, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies or if you have a history of certain medical conditions. It's also not recommended for children under 12 and should be used carefully during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. Always talk to your doctor before starting this medication. Changes in how your medications work or increased risk for serious side effects can occur due to drug interactions. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with this drug are altretamine, cisplatin, levodopa, hydantoins, such as phenytoin, methotrexate, pyrimethamine. If someone has taken too much Essential Man and they are fainting or having trouble breathing, call 911. Otherwise, call Poison Control right away. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, call your provincial poison control center. Overuse of Essential Man can cause symptoms like nausea, vomiting, dark urine, stomach pain, yellowing of the skin, back pain, painful urination, changes in urine, bone pain, mood changes, and severe headaches. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to get your vitamins and minerals from healthy foods. Eat a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines given by your doctor. B vitamins, including folic acid, can be found in leafy greens, other vegetables, and citrus fruits. Enriched grains like bread, pasta, and cereal also contain folic acid. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the one you missed. Then take the next dose at your usual time. Don't take extra to make up for the missed dose. Keep Essential Man at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into the drain unless instructed. When it's expired or you no longer need it, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.